Or is it really canceled?
Kind of, sort of.
Can't get to theme parks this year. Can't get to Orlando this year. We're making a theme park of our own today, and we're going to show you guys. So come along.
Doing it ourselves. Let's go.
Come along. 2020 may not be canceled after all, but it really is. We have a map of the park so we know where everything is.
Doing the grand tour?
The grand tour. This is the lounge area. Oh, we got BB-8 as the bartender, I guess. Very nice. Is that today's drink special or is that yesterday's drink special?
That's yesterday.
Oh, okay. So that's gonna change. This was yesterday's July 4th special.
Welcome to our backyard oasis.
Show us the main attraction.
Come to the main attraction. So you've seen the bar.
So we go from the bar over to the grass.
This is our swimming hole. Oh, not
the swimming hole.
The fishing hole. The fishing hole. Sorry.
Oh,
So fishing
okay.
Here is over here.
All right.
We'll have a fishing tournament later.
Oh, fishing tournament.
Yeah. Pokemon ball.
The fishing hole.
Fishing hole. Here's the official sign for the resort.
The sign, yes. Welcome to the Oasis Staycation Resort.
Yeah. Olympic-sized swimming pool. You can do laps there.
Yeah, we'll do a little race here.
And oh, the whale sprinkler's not up yet. But
okay, we'll show them the whale. This is where the whale sprinkler will be.
Sprinkler?
You see that on the map right there.
Yeah. We got Tiki music going already.
All right, Tiki music.
And here's our fabulous.
Yeah, I like this. I like this little sun hut here. We got Olaf from Castaway Key. Check out that video. And was that prickly? Is that Prickly Pete? The spice must flow. What you making?
This is my version of the Cliff Dweller drink from Olga's Cantina.
Ooh.
Yeah, not an exact replication because I couldn't find one of the ingredients and I was gonna order it on Amazon, but it wouldn't have gotten here in time. So we do an orange, pineapple, cream of coconut. It called for hibiscus grenadine, but I couldn't
hard
get
to
it in
find.
time, so I got regular grenadine.
The pineapple juice.
Sorry, the people. Lime juice. It's like pink. Taste test. It's good. Very tropical, coconutty.
I'm in the little beach hut now. Not a sponsor, but you can find this Mandalorian neck gaiter on Etsy from Hot Pop Art Studio. Ryan is over there. He made this for me. He also makes Boba Fett, and he makes other characters that are non-Star Wars. So
this is another semi-replication of a drink from Olga's Cantina. This is the Takodana Quencher. This has dragonberry rum, blue curacao, orange juice, pineapple juice.
Also not a sponsor, but a product we enjoy. Liquid Death is sparkling mountain water. Check out that marketing. Okay, I'm about to create a unsweetened cocktail for Cardi Reserva, my favorite. Liquid Death sparkling water, unsweetened organic coconut milk, unsweetened organic lime juice, and my Han Solo Tiki glass. All right, here we go. We'll start with the sparkling mountain water. A little bit of my favorite rum. Judging this by eye. I should probably be measuring this, but I'm not. Coconut milk. And the lime juice. Oh wow, that's good. It tastes like shampoo.
Okay. Straw. Umbrella.
Alright. I tasted it already, but I'll taste it again.
Taste it again.
I like it. You taste it now.
Ooh, do you want ice in it? It's good.
We'll call this a lima colada. Is that how you say lime in Spanish? Lima? Lima colada. There you go. Caption this image. Never told me the odds.
These are Thai pork sliders. They got ginger and scallions.
Yum, look at this.
Kind of like a curry garam masala sauce.
It smells good. Today's specials. The sign was updated. What do we got here? Drink of the day is Takadana Quencher. That's that blue beverage from Galaxy's Edge. Food specials, Thai pork sliders. I think that's what you guys just served.
Yeah. Right.
The Oasis Burger Barbecue.
Happy Jack. What about me? I can make. Did you fill up your cup?
Be sure to tip your bartender.
Tip your bartender.
Oop. Be sure to keep the cup steady.
My vision bowl.
How'd you do in the last round?
I got 21 points.
Wow.
So we're having 3 rounds, and then you got to add up your scores from each round. Oh yeah. Oh God. Oh now we got waves. Oh, I got one. Got 2. I got. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, I got one. This obstacle. Come on, boy. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. No, I can't get it.
Use the force.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh? Oh, I got him. Oh, I got him.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Well, there's round 2 to go. Now, octopus. Now we gotta count up the scores. Use a different color. I have a total of 28 points. So
Okay.
I am losing.
Oh.
A lot of the fish that I caught had negative points.
One more round though.
Yeah, we got one more round, so maybe I'll make a comeback. I'm committing.
Ray, have you caught any?
Yeah, I got a bunch over here. All over here. Oh my God!
Really hard. Some rough seas.
This is round 3, baby. Oh my God! Oh God! This is Okay.
Tyler, we're about to find out.
I lost. It was a good game though. It was refreshing.
Salmon, what's in here? Shrimp. Got the surf. We got the turf. How was your backyard water park experience?
Excellent. I give it 5 stars. I'd come again.
5 stars on Yelp?
5 stars. I give it 5 stars because we all put it together. We both put it together, so I gotta give it a good rating.
Hey, the food was great. The attractions were perfect. I didn't see anyone wearing masks though, so maybe you guys shouldn't come here. We got Macy's.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that red button on the home page and click that bell. It notifies you every time we post a brand new video.
May the Geekendz
Be with you.